Hi guys, another vlog, another day. Daily vlog 222. It's Monday, August 11, 6 p.m. It's Gilas versus Saudi Arabia. Road to quarterfinals. Tara, panoorin nyo experience namin sa FIBA Asia Cup. Grabe, sobrang dikit ng laban. Sobrang intense. Sobrang daming Pinoy, dami ring Saudi. At ito yung game tying 3 points ni Brownlee. Nagkagulo ng crowd, grabe.
Sabi ko, brownie. Nanginginig ako kanina.
Nanginginig ka? Kumusta experience? Kumusta experience? Nanginginig ka?
Talo. Ang tawgit.
At ayun nga, panalo ang Gilas Pilipinas. Kaya magse-celebrate kami, kakain kami sa Bukhari, Kabsa, favorite ni Gokko. What an incredible experience. Ang saya, grabe. So, paano ba yan? Kain muna kami. That's it for now. Bye!